Robotics is here at Future Lab at the Festival of Speed, and it's super exciting to be here because we're sat amongst some really innovative companies and technologies. We've built a really cool stand with lots of robots displaying their capabilities. They're going up ramps, they're entertaining people, and then us being able to showcase what kind of industrial applications that there are going to be in this space.
People say, how long is it before these robots can be in my home and doing useful things? I don't think people realise how sophisticated the robots are already. People have got autonomous vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers. These are robots. And in the factory, there's been robots around for decades. The challenge is the complexity in getting these things set up. We've got wheeled quadrupeds without wheels, rovers, we've got industrial arms, a bit of everything. And we're showing how that can work with our software platform, including some great demos. We've got a robot arm autonomously picking and placing objects, so people can talk to the AI and say what they want to pick up, and the robot will understand what they mean and go and do that.
I've been reminded of the Black Mirror episode 4 or 5 times over the last couple of days, but also any film of some kind of dystopian future. But I like to reassure people that the robots are a little bit far away from that, and actually they're still our servants doing the jobs that we don't really want to be doing. Industrial use cases with the quadrupeds range from inspection through to patrol and security. For inspection, you'll deploy one of these robots into an industrial environment. Dangerous environments that you might not want to send a human. Those robots would be able to go into that environment, map the space, to autonomously navigate various waypoints, and at each waypoint execute various tasks, such as take gas, thermal readings, or just photographs of gauges. We create 3D simulations of these environments ahead of time, so we can train up the team that is going to be deploying these robots in simulation. It's a safe environment, and they can put the real robot that they will be using into that environment, plot the waypoints, and actually familiarise themselves with the platform, so that when they get into the real environment, deployment is a lot quicker, and they're up and running with these robots deployed within half a day of arriving on site. The robots can actually take themselves back to base, and between each deployment recharge themselves. So power usage is not really an issue in most industrial use cases. We believe that an inspection manager or even a facilities manager should be able to, with a small amount of training, be able to deploy one of these robots on inspection or patrol within their environment.
In such a fast-paced world now where AI has the capability of doing so many different things, we want to make sure that we're helping with the robotics adoption by making robotics easy and accessible to everyone. If you're interested in robotics, this is a perfect platform to start.
OLO is the only platform that brings together simulation, programming, visualization, teleoperation all in one place. So you don't need to have special equipment, you don't need to install difficult software. You can just load a browser, visit the OLO platform's website, log in, and then you can immediately start simulating, visualizing robots and programming them, all with AI assistance throughout. That is completely unique. To find out more about what we're doing, go to the website and get in touch. We've got a great team, very friendly. We're going to take you through the whole process.
We've got 2 robots being deployed very soon into college and university environments for training the next generation of industry professionals to be able to execute robotic inspection just as part of their everyday job. So yes, this is the future, but it's actually happening right now.